In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install iLovePDF on your computer. Whether you need to merge PDFs, compress files, convert documents, or edit PDFs offline, iLovePDF offers a desktop application for both Windows and Mac users. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. In my case, I am using Firefox, and go to the address bar and type in www.ilovepdf.com. As you may notice, on the top right corner, there is the sign up button. You need to create an account first before you can download the desktop application. To make the account creation faster, you can sign up using your Facebook, your Google, or if you want to use your business or work email, you can do that as well, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have created your account here in iLovePDF, on the homepage, go to the top right corner where you can see some bullet icons. You see there is the applications for the desktop and mobile app. I want you to click the desktop application because you'll be forwarded to a new page. You can choose your operating system if you're using Windows or Mac OS. It's up to you. In my case, I am using Windows. All I have to do now is click the download button. Open Microsoft Store. Your browser may begin downloading the installer automatically, or it may redirect you to the Microsoft Store on Windows or the Mac App Store on Mac OS. Wait for the download to complete before moving to the next step. Once the installation is complete, all I have to do now is click the open button to launch the app itself. And just like that, all I have to do now is log in using your credentials. Remember, if you have created your Google account, your Facebook, or if you use your business or work email, you just have to log in using your credentials. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to download and install iLovePDF on your computer. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.